article is about Amazon Alexa, in which I have told about that what is Amazon Alexa basically, and then who invented Alexa. So Alexa was invented by Amazon if we ask Alexa this question, but the real brain mind was Rohit Prasad, who is engineer from Ranchi, Jharkhand. And then there is one main question which is basically asked, that is,
Yes, I am here. Okay, just continue, please.
so starting से करूँ?
नहीं, go ahead.
Okay, so one basic question that is mostly asked, that who is the woman behind the voice of Alexa? So if we ask this question from Alexa, that is Tony Reed is the woman who created the technology behind Alexa, and voice of Alexa was not from any real person voice, but that is a text to speech and artificial intelligence technology. Then I have briefed about the working of Alexa, and then features of Alexa, what all features we can see, like we can ask question about sports score, news and music, and there are some other functions as well. Then I have briefed about the users of Alexa year wise. So we can see that they have increased, like in 2021 there are 1831 million users. Then I have created this graphical representation of users of Alexa, and that's it.
Okay, Yansha,
Yes.
many things are missing. Okay, just go uh, in the figure. Just move slightly up. Okay, see, you designed this figure, and where is the caption? Where is the caption?
So इसकी heading I have
हाँ,
given.
इसका हाँ कहाँ दी है आपने?
Sir,
You
ये
have
graphical
बच्चे,
representation
you
of
have to
user.
give it, you have to give it by auto, insertion. आपको ऑटो करके उसमें राइट क्लिक करो उस पे.
Yes sir, caption you are saying.
हाँ, कैप्शन वेयर इट इज, आपने नहीं डाला ना?
सर इसका नहीं दिया है, बाकी
नहीं दिया, किसी का टेबल का भी नहीं दिया. देखो
सर पिक्चर्स का दिया हुआ है, उसका दे दूंगी.
देखो टेबल का नहीं दिया, टेबल का चेक करो, नीचे
यस
करो.
सर, दो का नहीं दिया क्योंकि इसकी हेडिंग दे दी थी मैंने
नहीं,
बस.
हेडिंग ऑलवेज इट्स ओके, हेडिंग इज अ सेपरेट थिंग, you have to give the caption, and the without it does, the table or figure do not have any meaning. कोई इसका मीनिंग नहीं है, कोई सेंस नहीं है. You should have to put a proper heading. Although you collected a very good data, it is okay, but you
Yes
have
sir,
to,
I will give.
ऊपर करो, ऊपर करो. Why you write it? Just stop. You took, very, just move upward, थोड़ा सा up करो, और up करो बेटा थोड़ा सा. आपने ये देखो फॉन्ट्स डिफरेंट क्यों आ रहे हैं. एक फॉन्ट देखो, ये वाला बिल्कुल अजीब सा आ रहा है, इस तरफ वाला 1 2 3 और इधर का अलग आ रहा है. यू शुड बी, यू शुड हैव टू सिलेक्ट ओनली वन फॉन्ट थ्रू आउट द आर्टिकल. हेडिंग्स के लिए डिफरेंट ठीक है, बट फॉर द टेक्स्ट इट मस्ट बी अ सेम साइज. लाइक 12 हम यूज़ करते हैं, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन यूज़ करते हैं, ये एक गड़बड़ है. और ऊपर करो. इट इज़ गुड यू फॉलो टू. एक मिनट, रुको. टोनी रेड, शी इज the woman behind Alexa, is it?
Sir, behind the voice of Alexa.
So you should write, the figure जो 3 का जो caption दिया है, Tony Reid, it is, बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है. It should be 2 3 words, कुछ होना चाहिए.
सर ब्रैकेट में
ब्रैकेट में,
डिफाइन.
हाँ ब्रैकेट में कर दो बेशक.
ठीक है.
वॉइस ठीक है. ऐसे ही Amazon Alexa, ये दिखाना था. Amazon Alexa जो लिखा है ना, रोहित प्रसाद, इसको भी थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब करना है.
ठीक है.
फाउंडर ऑफ जो भी है, मैं था नहीं उस टाइम, सुना नहीं मैंने. ऊपर करो, और ऊपर करो.
बाकी स्टार्टिंग है.
Amazon, ओके राइट, Amazon Alexa, राइट. और हेडिंग क्या है इसकी? टाइटल की हेडिंग क्या है? मतलब टाइटल क्या है?
यहाँ से स्टार्टिंग है Amazon
नहीं,
Alexa का
टाइटल क्या है?
इंट्रोडक्शन.
टाइटल क्या है? टाइटल
सो बेसिक ही है, उसके
नो
इंट्रोडक्शन ही अबाउट
सो ये लिखना था ना, मोर अबाउट Amazon Alexa, मोर अबाउट. ठीक है, एक ये हेडिंग होनी चाहिए थी, इसमें थोड़ी सी कमी है. ठीक है, टाइटल में एक हेडिंग होनी चाहिए थी. दूसरा कंक्लूजन कहाँ है तुम्हारा?
सो वो नहीं है, अभी डालना है.
हाँ, यू शुड देखो, आर्टिकल विदाउट हेडिंग एंड विदाउट कंक्लूजन, ये नियरली एक वो रहता है. तो इसको प्लीज़, बाकी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. I liked this.
तो मैं इम्प्रूव करके वो सेंड कर दूंगी
हाँ
दोबारा।
इसको हाँ वो बाकी लोगों को भी समझ में आ रहा होगा कि उनकी गलतियाँ क्या क्या हैं, तो जिनकी गलतियाँ
Yes,
ऐसी
sir.
मिलती जुलती वो ठीक कर लें, अभी कुछ नहीं है, अभी एक रिफाइंड करके भेज दीजिएगा, राइट?
ठीक है सर।
ओके जी, नेक्स्ट चीज़ को मौका देना अभी, नेक्स्ट चीज़ को देना।
सर मैं दिखाऊं?
हाँ हाँ कौन है नेक्स्ट?
सर वरुण शर्मा।
हाँ वरुण, तुम्हें बना दिया वो प्रेजेंटर?
नहीं सर।
बनाओ भाई इसको, प्रेजेंटर बनाओ।
सर बना दिया।
सर बना दिया।
चलो
ओके सर। सर स्क्रीन विजिबल है?
यस
सर so my topic is on metaverse. Is it good or bad for us?
अच्छा, why this Facebook change its name from Facebook to, मतलब मेटा क्या था वहाँ पे, क्या शो कर रहा था वो?
Sir वो they created this name for metaverse because they are creating the metaverse new platform for the social media or the newer version of it. They are combining the augment and VR reality to work together. Sir I have explained it here only sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, then what is exactly the metaverse is? Sir, what is exactly metaverse Facebook wants it to be? So sir, they basically wants it to people to interact in the new way through AR and VR technology, like they are meeting it together, sitting in the same room and feeling the environment as usual as they want, as they wish. Sir, then we have discussed about the advantages of the metaverse, like for experience and expression, like they are developing special kind of headsets. They will that will mimic our facial expression and help us to interact better. And sir, then sir, our next topic is learning. That how will it affect our learning? Sir, metaverse will affect our learning very well. It will improve it because they are using VR and AR technologies.
Title क्या बनाया तुमने? Title क्या बनाया मेरा? What is your title?
Sir, it was good or bad for us.
Okay,
Sir,
right. Got it.
Sir, then hear about the learning, that how we can visualize things, different things, and feel them and understand them better than ever before. Then, sir, it's about the productivity. How will it increase our productivity? Sir, how faster the metaverse can take input, how faster it can give the output will increase our productivity. So, like they are working on some new machine that called EMG electromyographic, which will just sense our neurobrain information and work according to it, which will increase our productivity time. Such like we can just think of building something. We can just think of I want to send text to my friend. I'll just think about it and it will be done. I don't even have to move our finger. Sir, here I have shown the image that how will it work input. Then sir, it's about the employment. Sir, how will it increase our employment? So as the current scenario, we have a huge problem of employment, but in metaverse, it will increase our employment because different companies will want you to come over the metaverse. They'll need a skilled worker and the creative minds to do that. So, sir, demand for the people who have the creative minds and creative ideas, plus the people who can bring those ideas to the reality, will be a huge thing. So that's how it will increase our employment. Sir, then it's about the disadvantages of it. Like, sir, privacy. Sir, we are talking about Facebook, which is the biggest worst in the privacy management system. Sir, they have lots of records where they have leaked the users' privacy or information, sensitive information, personal information for their benefit to the advertisers. Like the recent case of 2018 where they have done this. But sir, after that EGM machines, they will have access to the whole new level of our data, which we would like to share with anyone else. So sir, how can we trust to the Facebook about that data? Then sir, our second point will be about the psychology. Sir, about the psychology, it means how the people will feel in the metaverse. Sir, metaverse is made by the third party application, which is Facebook. This is not a thing that they won't wanna do this for our profit. They won't do this for their profit. Sir, they will create some ads. Like, sir, currently Facebook revenue is about ads only. They don't charge anything for using their application. They just earn through our advertisement that we see. We see around 250 advertisement in 1 hour on Facebook. Sir, so how will it affect our psychological? Sir, currently they are working on VR and AR technology. Sir, this will increase ourself. This will increase our fear of what is real, what is not. Sir, like metaverse can be customized to a level that we can just build whatever we want. Sir, we can customize it to a level like our social media feeds we have. That show only that content that we will like to see or we will appreciate about that. They don't show the content that we don't like. Like if we don't like any particular brand about any particular brand, like I don't like Apple very much. So in my metaverse, it could not be existing the Apple brand in my metaverse in the virtual world. That will be a thing, sir. This will affect us many things
This
of
is this is
psychology.
this is this is very good. It means, this is, although we have ambience intelligence earlier, so this is a very great concept. If we show the different people according to their wishes, we put them across a new world. Basically, everyone do not has a like on every post on the social media, so they are confined to some their particular interest, like some people like the food bloggers, some people like the gaming channels, and
Yes,
some
sir.
people like the future. So this is very great, I think. In the near future, definitely they can do it, and they can restrict, although we in today environment also it is possible by putting them, because once you but it will take some time. The environment will take some time to get to know what kind of things you like. Then they probably show the same kind of things to you. So but here it's a different scenario, in which they created your own universe, where they can show you only the things that you like. So it's a great idea. So when they go, it is still under, I think, research.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. लास्ट दिखाओ, लास्ट में क्या किया है?
Sir, last, sir, there are 2 points more. One about moderation and one about what about us, what will happen to us in the real world. And then, sir, it's about conclusion, and then it's an end.
Right, I will read all the articles. I think all of you spend a lot of your time and to gazing the things, and I like the spirit कि आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा इस पे सर्च आउट किया है, एंड यू केम टू सर्टेन वेरी गुड आर्टिकल्स. जिन्होंने नहीं किया है वो भी समझ जाइए कि ये लोग कर रहे हैं तो आपको भी करना है, वन थिंग. एंड okay, so let's stop recording over here. Let's stop recording over here.